Okay, class, welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Professor Piggy. And guess what? Today, we are officially opening up the upgrade shop. It's time to give our PC some absolutely epic loot.
All right, here's our quest log for today. First, we'll meet our hero. Then, we're going to check out some legendary gear for better vision, a powerful voice, and even some wings. And to top it all off, we'll learn the super important enchantment ritual to get it all working. Okay, let's dive right in.
Okay, every great adventure needs a hero, right? Well, inside our PC, that hero is the motherboard.
So, take a look at our level 1 hero. It is just full of potential, but, its base stats are, well, they're a little basic. See all those long empty slots? Those are the gear slots, and that's exactly where we're going to equip all of its awesome new powers.
So, here's the key takeaway. An expansion card is basically just a piece of legendary gear. It's what we use to level up our hero, giving it incredible new abilities and stats that it just didn't have before. Okay, so these gear slots are called PCIe slots. Just think of them as holsters for our gear. Now, they come in different sizes, right? You got X1, X4, X8, and the epic X16. The bigger the number, the more lanes of data it has. It's kind of like a bigger highway for information to travel on. And here's the pro tip. You always want to put your best gear, like a powerful video card, in the biggest slot you have free. That's how you get the best performance.
All right, now for the really fun part, the loot. First up in our upgrade shop, we're going to give our heroes some truly epic vision gear.
You see, every hero starts with some basic, built-in sight. We call that integrated graphics. And honestly, it's fine for simple quests, like checking your email. But if you want to see the world in glorious 4K, if you want those buttery smooth frame rates for your epic gaming adventures, you absolutely need to equip the legendary eyes. That's a dedicated video card with its own powerful brain and its own memory. It's a total game changer.
Okay, but hey, a quick word of warning, heroes. Listen up. As you can see right here, this legendary gear is huge. I mean, some of these high-end video cards are so powerful and chunky, they can take up the space of 2, 3, or even 4 of those smaller slots. So you gotta make sure your hero's armor, we're talking about the PC case, is actually big enough to handle it. All right, next up in the shop, let's give our hero a legendary voice. And, for all you streamers out there, the ability to record their awesome adventures.
So just like with video, most motherboards have basic sound built right in. And for most quests, it's fine. But our sound wizards, the audiophiles, they want something more. They want a dedicated sound card for a higher signal-to-noise ratio. Now, what does that mean? It just means you get crystal clear audio. You hear every single detail without any of that annoying fuzzy background noise.
Pay attention, because this is your audio jack color quest. For the CompTIA A+ exam, you absolutely have to memorize these colors. It's super simple though. Just remember, lime green is for go. That's the sound going out to your headphones and speakers. And pink is for your powerful microphone. That's your voice going in. Got it? Good. Now listen, don't get these two confused. This is a really common point of mix-up. A regular video card, the eyes, it outputs video to your screen. It lets your hero see the world. But a video capture card, that's the streamer's tool. It inputs video from another source, like your PlayStation or another computer. It lets your hero record other worlds to share with everyone. See the difference? Output versus input.
It's time to give our hero wings. Let's get them connected to the great big world with a network interface card, or as we call it, a NIC. So you've got two main choices for your wings. You can go with a wired NIC for, let's call it, grounded flight. You use a cable, it's super stable, super fast, and you get 0 lag spikes during those crucial boss fights. Or you can choose a wireless NIC for the freedom to roam. No cables, but, and I'm serious about this, if you go wireless, you must attach the antennas. Please don't be a noob, screw them in, or your signal is going to be just awful.
Okay, you've picked out your epic loot. You're ready to upgrade. Now comes the final and maybe the most important part of our quest, the enchantment ritual. This is how we actually equip the gear.
Okay, you gotta follow these steps carefully. Step 1, and don't skip this, power down your hero completely. And I mean unplug it from the wall. Then you open the case, find the right size PCIe slot, and gently but firmly press the card in. You're listening for that super satisfying click. That click tells you it's seated correctly. And finally, don't forget to secure the card with a screw. You don't want your new gear wobbling around in there. So we've installed the card, we screwed it in, we're ready to go, right? Well, not quite. We've put the gear on, but our hero has no idea how to actually use it yet. There is one final, magical step.
And that magic step is installing the driver. Think of the driver as the magic spellbook for your new hardware. It's a piece of software that tells your computer's brain, the operating system, how to talk to and use the new gear. Without that spell, your brand new, super expensive video card is literally just a shiny rock. It does nothing.
Now, if you ever open up your device manager in Windows and you see this scary yellow exclamation point, uh-oh, that is a major distress signal. It's your computer screaming, "You forgot the magic spell." It means the driver is missing or it's not working right. To fix it, you just got to go to the gear manufacturer's website and download the correct spell.
And just like that, your hero is leveled up. You've installed new hardware and you've enchanted it with the right drivers. It's powered up and totally ready for the next quest. So the question for you is, what epic gear will you equip on your hero to continue your adventure? GG everyone, and happy upgrading!